One's destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. Good morning, everyone. I, Kaushik Raj Prajapati, student of IHM Kolkata, first year, and today I will emphasize on Jharkhand tourism under Incredible India campaign. Jharkhand is famously known as the land of forests. Its unparalleled beauty lies in the majestic hills, scenic waterfalls, rich greenery, and colorful culture makes your visit to the land memorable. Despite less popular among the tourists, the state of Jharkhand has some of the best of hidden tourist destinations. The state, which is highly rich in wildlife and forests, has some of the most serene locations, hidden and less known to the tourists. Jharkhand also is known as the state of tribes. It is home to one of the oldest Indian tribes, the Munda tribes, and also to the popular freedom fighter Birsa Munda. Also known as the state of lakes and waterfalls, Jharkhand, over the span of almost 2 decades, has developed accessibility to some of the most remote locations. This has given the state a new opportunity to attract tourists. Ranchi is the one of the best places to visit in Jharkhand that offers you the divine view of some of the best waterfalls in India. It is the capital of Jharkhand and is known as the city of waterfalls. Ranchi is known as a hill station for it attracted the British as they used to come and spend their time during the sultry summers of Calcutta. Jonha Falls, about 45 kilometers away from Ranchi, situated on the Ranchi Purulia highway, is the Jonha Falls. Named after the local village, it is also known as the Gautam Dhara, as there is a temple dedicated to Lord Buddha in its vicinity. The rocks here seem to beckon you down its natural gradient to join the frothy gurgling water of the river. The fall appears relatively more somber, enhancing the picturesque charm of the spot. The site is well connected with both rail and bus routes. Nearest railway station is the Jonha railway station, which is 1.5 km away from Jonha Fall. By road, take the Ranchi Purulia road and after traveling 32 kilometers, then travel about 4.8 kilometers of main road. Distance from Ranchi is about 40 kilometers. Sita Falls. Sita Falls is situated 1.5 km away from Jonha Falls. Though it is one of the lesser known waterfalls, nonetheless your trip of the waterfalls in Ranchi is incomplete without a visit here. Being close to Jonha, it is not difficult to reach either. The rocky gradient down where the water trickles seems to have been sculpted by none other than nature herself. The view caresses away both your physical and mental strains, leaving you recharged as the fresh and foaming waters of the falls. The site is well connected with both rail and bus routes. Nearest railway station is the Jonha railway station, which is 1.5 km away from Jonha Falls. By road, take the Ranchi Purulia road and after traveling 32 kilometers, then travel about 4.8 kilometers of main road. Distance from Ranchi is about 40 kilometers and nearest airport is the Ranchi airport. Now it comes to one of the most beautiful falls in Jharkhand, the Perwa Ghag waterfalls. This waterfall is hidden in the lush forest near Torpa block. In rainy season it is inaccessible, but in winters around Christmas and New Year it is one of the most beautiful place to visit. It is beautiful waterfall with clear water flow on Chhata river in Khuti district. It is known that the word Perwa denotes pigeon and Ghag means home, which depicts the house of pigeon inside the waterfall. It is still believed that these pigeons live inside the waterfall. Netarhat Hill Station, heart of Jharkhand. Falling in the Latehar district of Jharkhand, Netarhat is the highest point of Chotanagpur Plateau, popularly known as Queen of Chotanagpur, a place which a visitor to Jharkhand should never miss out. Clad with dense forest and rivers, this place experiences the moderate temperature even during scorching summer and a cool climate throughout the year. It is best known for the sunrise and sunset views it offers, especially during summers. When traveling by road from Ranchi to Netarhat, you will cross seven hills, a bamboo forest, a mahua forest on your way, and a little more than 96 miles. Netarhat comes under the tag of lesser known tourist places. Netarhat is around 156 km to the west of Ranchi and 210 km from Daltonganj. It is also notable for the renowned Netarhat Residential School, which was started in the year 1954. Essentials like medicines are must carry as there is low probability of chemist shop being present nearby because it is totally covered with forests. Betla National Park. Betla National Park is a beautiful national park which is spread over the hilly terrain of the attractive Palamu district, west of Ranchi in Jharkhand. Wild elephants wander without restraints in the thickets of the forest, and the flora and fauna are enough to mesmerize any visitor. Though there are relatively fewer tigers here, a visit to this ancient area of Jharkhand will be worth it because it provides a deeper insight into the rich tribal heritage of the state. Betla stands as an acronym for bison, elephants, tiger, leopard, and axis. What makes this park stand out from the rest is the presence of two forts inside its premises. The primary attraction here is observing wildlife from a close range. One of the most popular national parks of the Northeast, the park stretches over an area of around 979 square kilometer, out of which 232 kilometer forms the main area and has the status of being one of the first 9 tiger reserves that were established in India. Due to a diversified ecosystem, the Betla National Park is home to a huge variety of wildlife. Peak season between November and March. Access Betla village is the only entry point of the park. The driving distance of the village is 25 km south from Medininagar, 65 km northwest from Latehar, and 170 km northwest from Ranchi. Accommodation. The tourist complex include a 3-star hotel, tourist lodges and canteen, log huts and tree houses inside the forest with fully furnished suites. Palamu Forts. Deep in the jungles of the Palamu Tiger Reserve in Jharkhand lie the remains of the lost kingdom of Cheros. Once inaccessible due to the Naxal menace, the twin forts of Palamu, with secrets lodged in the fissures of their ruins, tell the story of a powerful kingdom that very few outside Jharkhand have heard of. Located around 20 miles southeast of tourist pit stop Daltonganj, now Medininagar, are the twin forts of Palamu, the seat of the kingdom of the Chero tribe, which ruled the region for 200 years. The Chero rule in Palamu was established around 1613 CE. Till the early 17th century, the region was under Mughal rule, but apparently a Chero chief named Anant Rai drove out the Mughal imperial troops stationed in and declared his independence. Anant Rai died in 1619 and was succeeded to the throne by Medini Rai, considered to be the most powerful king to ever rule in Jharkhand. It is during the reign of these two kings that the twin forts came into existence. If you enter the fort through the western entrance, walking a couple of steps will first bring you to a deep well. It is said that during the battles of that time, the dead bodies are thrown into the well and it comes out from the river which flows in the backside of the fort premises. with a ruinous brick mosque of triple domes with octagonal towers at the corners of the rear wall. There are some living areas still existing inside the fort, including a ruined Raja's palace just beside the entry to the fort. There is a secret tunnel on the lower side of the wall which may have been used as an escape route in case of emergency. There also are several small staircases which allows the visitor to climb up the ramparts of the wall. Perched on the top of a conical hill, the new fort looks grand even from a distance, while some historians claim that it was built by Medini Rai. The main entrance to the fort is the imposing Nagpuri Gate, which rises 80 feet beyond the fort wall. This was typical of the Jahangiri style of Mughal architecture. On one side of the gate, if one looks close enough, one can still see the inscription in Devanagari bearing the names of Chero kings. Access 20 kilometers southwest of the city of Daltonganj, Jharkhand. Transportation well connected with both rail and bus routes. Accommodation well furnished tree houses and cottages of Betla National Park. McCluskey Ganj. McCluskey Ganj is also known as Mini London, is a small hilly town in Jharkhand state, India, about 40 miles northwest of the capital Ranchi. It was founded by the Colonization Society of India in 1933 as a homeland for Anglo-Indians. Anglo-Indians could buy shares in this cooperative, the Colonization Society of India, which in turn would allot them a plot of land. It became home to 400 Anglo-Indian families within 10 years. In 1932, Ernest Timothy McCluskey, a businessman from Calcutta, the founder of the town, sent circular to nearly 2 lakh Anglo-Indians in India inviting them to settle here. Of the nearly 300 original settlers, only 20 families remains as most of the Anglo-Indians community left after World War II. The town has a lush green surroundings, dirt tracks and fresh air to breathe. Attraction McCluskey Ganj Gurudwara, temple, mosque and church laying in the same complex. This place defines the brotherhood of Indians. St. John Church, a historical place built by Anglo-Indians during British rule. Access about 64 km northwest of Ranchi. Accommodation Anglo-Indians' lavish bungalow have been turned into cottages. Transportation railway station, McCluskeyganj railway station, and also well connected with roads. The first image depicts the McCluskeyganj Gurudwara, temple, church and mosque in the same complex. The second image depicts the St. John Church built by Anglo-Indians during British rule, and the bottom three pictures depicts the bungalow of Mr. Rana Sahab. The either side of the bungalow has been turned into country cottage. The picture depicts the royalness of the family. Patratu Valley, 40 kilometers away from Ranchi, is the breathtaking Patratu Valley, with its lush greenery, mesmerizing views and misty mountains. Patratu Valley is in Ranchi Kake Road. It is about 35 km far from Ranchi railway station. It is famous for its natural beauty. The road is like hairpin band, which is very adventurous. The entire valley is surrounded by lush green trees. Visitors can see the Patratu Dam on one side and an expansive green belt on the other. Almost as beautiful as the valley is the drive to this picturesque destination, where one can catch glimpses of the sparkling water and winding roads. The road goes to the Patratu Dam, which is another mind-blowing attraction. Just rent a car and go to the valley. Nothing is more beautiful than that. Access 40 kilometers from Ranchi. Transportation, well connected with roads. Accommodation, 7.5 km after crossing the valley. The beautiful Patratu resort is there, located near the banks of Patratu Dam. People don't take trips, trips take people. So do visit Jharkhand. That is all from my side. Thank you.